Today, we're diving into the sweet world of Thai desserts, and we have a real treat for you: sticky rice with mango, or as the Thais call it, khao niu mamuang. It's a heavenly blend of sweet, sticky rice and ripe, juicy mango. Let's get cooking. Before we start, make sure to have these ingredients ready: 1 cup of glutinous rice, 1 cup of coconut milk, 1/2 cup of sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 2 ripe mangoes, sesame seeds for garnish, optional, fresh mint leaves for garnish, optional. Step 1. Wash the glutinous rice under cold water until the water runs clear. Then soak it in water for at least 30 minutes to an hour. Step 2. Drain the soaked rice and transfer it to a bamboo or metal steamer lined with cheesecloth. Steam the rice for about 30 to 40 minutes until it's soft and fully cooked. Step 3. While the rice is steaming, let's prepare the coconut sauce. In a saucepan, combine the coconut milk, sugar, and salt over low heat. Stir until the sugar is fully dissolved, but don't let it come to a boil. Enjoying the video? Leave a like and subscribe. It really helps the channel out. Step 4. Once the rice is cooked, transfer it to a mixing bowl, and while it's still hot, pour half of the coconut sauce over it. Gently fold the sauce into the rice until it's well coated. This is where the magic begins. The rice becomes wonderfully sticky and sweet. Step 5. Time to prep those ripe, juicy mangoes. Peel and slice them into beautiful, thin pieces. Step 6. To serve, grab a plate, place a generous portion of your sweet, sticky rice in the center, and artfully arrange the mango slices on top. Drizzle the remaining coconut sauce over everything. Voila! You've just created a mouth-watering masterpiece of Thai's cuisine. Sticky rice with mango. The creamy, sweet rice pairs perfectly with the fresh and tangy mango. Don't forget to sprinkle some sesame seeds for that extra crunch and garnish with mint leaves for a burst of color and flavor. So there you have it, foodies, a taste of Thailand in your own kitchen. Thanks for joining us on this culinary adventure. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes from around the world. Until next time, happy cooking!